drill into my paint. It's got to be done if I want that spoiler on. Getting that rubber piece in right there was probably the most annoying part of this spoiler installation. Everything else is simple. Plug it in, screw it in, it's all done. But getting that plug in, that was annoying. Gotta be one of the sleekest upgrades to this bike is that spoiler, man. So guys, my first updates you pretty much saw in the video. I added the running brake light in the rear, I added the Muth mirrors, added some Baker wings, also put the Kuryakin fork brace that helped out a lot with the suspension. Other than that, I went ahead, I followed some of your guys' suggestions. A lot of, cruise man's garage watching, stuff like that, led me to go ahead and install the those beautiful Pathfinder headlights. I did low and high beams. I went ahead and installed the Pathfinder sequential turn signals. Those things are really awesome, guys. Went ahead and did my low and high beams for the headlights. Went ahead and added a Honda OEM LED fog lamp kit. And for the final icing on the cake, I know some of you guys are gonna really like this a lot. I went ahead and put Comp S, Two Brothers Racing exhaust on this bad boy. Sounds like a really expensive sports car right now. Just to give you an idea of what it sounds like. Gonna definitely be putting some more stuff on this bike, and also stay tuned for some of my upgrades on my Harley Davidson Street Bob. I just went ahead and put some Freedom Performance pipes on there, but I'm gonna be doing the intake and a fuel control in the next week or so. All right guys, ride safe, ride hard. I'll see you guys later.